Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. I've been getting a good question here lately. Chris, I just bought a pre-owned Honda and it has Honda LaneWatch. Now I've seen some videos out there with Honda LaneWatch. When you have it on, it's activated. You know what, let's turn this camera around. It usually has lines right on here, right, with the Honda LaneWatch. I don't have any lines on my car. Why not? Is there a way I can turn those lines on? Yes, you can. I'm going to show you guys right now how to turn those on or off so you have a point of reference, a little visual, okay? So, first step is let's turn this off, the Honda LaneWatch. Then we'll get over here to Home, Settings. For example, right now I'm in a Honda Civic right now. Hit Camera. You have your LaneWatch. Then right here, reference lines. Those are off. Let's turn these bad boys right on. There we go. I have show indicator. I can have, a delay, stuff like that. Hit Complete. Now, you know what? Let's go and do a quick mad turn. And there they are. Right there's your lines. Now, if you don't want them, just, hey, play the video in reverse and do it that way, all right? Thanks again for watching. See you guys at the next video.